Hello and welcome back to Gallant IAS Geography. Here we are going to cover important geography topics to better prepare ourselves for preliminary exam of UPSC. Poverty is the single most important problem facing India even after 70 years of our independence. We need rapid economic growth to pull these millions of people out of poverty. Exploitation of natural resources, therefore, is very important to energize and give resources to our industries to make this happen. These resources are found in and around India, and some of them, one such resources in the form of polymetallic nodules, are available in the Indian Ocean bed. The DOME mission that we are going to discuss today, Deep Ocean Mission, is a program by the Indian government to develop technologies so that we can extract and use and commercialize these said minerals that deposited in the Indian Ocean region, the polymetallic nodules. Deep Ocean Mission falls under the Ministry of Earth Science. The idea is to develop a sea exploration arm similar to ISRO for space. Like the exploration of space, exploration of deep sea also has certain challenges, like the very high pressure, very low temperature, and lack of visibility. And as we have said earlier, we are interested in the exploration of seabed because of the presence of polymetallic nodules. And recently, United Nations Seabed Authority has granted around 75,000 square kilometers in the Central Indian Ocean region for India for exploration and exploitation. The idea behind DOME mission is to develop technologies so that we can extract and exploit and commercialize polymetallic nodules. The deposits in this region is said to be enough to sustain our production for many years to come. So that is the importance of this region and exploitation of polymetallic nodules. There are two key projects under the DOME mission. The first one is the formation of the construction of a desalination plant, which is completely run under the energy developed from tidal forces. And the second one is to develop a submersible vehicle capable of traveling to the depths of 6,000 meters. Polymetallic nodules are also known as manganese nodules. These nodules have high concentration of copper, nickel, cobalt, lead, etc., which are all very important for production in industries. These have economic and strategic importance for India. On the side note, let's understand what International Seabed Authority is. The organization essentially falls under the umbrella organization of UN, and it grants permissions to exploration and exploitation of marine resources, of non-living marine resources in international waters. It's headquartered in Kingston, Jamaica. And very recently, National Institute of Ocean Technology has started a project called a Samudra project, which envisions to develop a submersible vehicle that can carry 3 persons to the depths of 6,000 meters. This forms the part of DOME mission. So DOME mission is the overall umbrella mission, and Samudrayan project forms a part of DOME mission. Now let's see some concerns. Whenever you are learning a topic for UPSC preparation, you have to look at the positives and the negatives, the good and the bad, the advantages and the disadvantages. Now we have seen the advantages, and we have talked about what we are going to do about polymetallic nodules. Let's see what are the concerns relating to this exploitation. The first one is economic viability. These are only ideas, and these are yet untested, unverified technologies, and there is a question of commercialization, whether we will be able to extract the resources in adequate capacity so as to run a viable business. That is the first concern, the economic viability of the whole project. The second concern is environmental concerns. International Union of Conservation of Nature have already raised concern about exploitation and mining of seabed, because these regions which are deprived of sunlight are home to unique species adapted especially for these harsh conditions. And when we are exploiting, when we are extracting resources from this, we are essentially disturbing this environment, and we may cause irreversible damage to this area. What we are doing is essentially mining. Mining on land or under sea is removing a large area of earth, which with our current understanding and technology cannot be replaced. So that is the concern. The second concern is environmental. That's all about Deep Ocean Mission. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.